Hi guys, hope you all are doing well and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sanika and I create videos about makeup, skincare and curly hair care. If you're new here, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, turn on that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any future videos. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about some skincare from House of Beauty. The idea behind House of Beauty is holistic wellness and care. The brand not only believes in beauty outside but beauty inside as well. House of Beauty is US FDA CE certified and the brand uses ingredients that are all natural and organic. So I've been trying their toner and cream since the past few days and I'm going to take you guys through a demo and a quick mini review. So the first product I want to talk about is the House of Beauty Peach and Jojoba toner. It's infused with the goodness of natural oils, witch hazel and aloe vera to balance the pH of your skin and to close your pores. So I use this toner after cleansing my face and before applying my serum. It helps absorb my serum better and also leaves my skin hydrated and dewy for longer. It can also be used as a face mist to refresh your skin.
I love that this toner comes with a spray nozzle which makes application super easy. I usually go ahead and spray it all over my face after cleansing my skin and I tap it into my skin gently.
The next product I want to talk about is the House of Beauty India Oxy Gel Cream. So this is an oxygen-based gel cream that helps oily skin maintain its hydration barrier. It's basically like heaven in a jar for oily skin. This niacinamide-based gel, along with the goodness of apricot oil and aloe vera, provides your skin with the perfect moisture. It holds the moisture all day long and doesn't clog your pores. It works really well for acne-prone skin, sensitive skin like mine, and also helps soothe irritated skin. This gel cream is non-comedogenic and hypoallergenic. It keeps your skin hydrated, soft, and nourished all day long.
The product comes with a QR code which takes you to an in-depth video about face yoga by Vibhuti Arora. She is a Ministry of Ayush certified yoga and face yoga expert.
Face yoga helps the product perform and absorb better.
I use the gel cream in my skincare routine daily after cleansing and toning my skin. I absolutely love the lightweight texture of this gel cream and it's extremely hydrating and nourishing for my skin. I apply a little bit of the gel cream all over my face. The texture is so smooth, it just melts into my skin right away. I absolutely love how this feels on my skin. It is smooth, it is lightweight and it doesn't feel sticky or oily. My skin looks so dewy and glowy after this routine. It feels hydrated and it looks like it has this glow from within.
I absolutely love the brand and my skin feels amazing since I started using these products. You get 30 ml of the toner for Rs 6.99 and 100 ml of the gel cream for Rs 12.99. I'm going to leave links below in the description box in case you want to purchase these products. You can go ahead and check out the links. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. If you're new here, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and tap that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. I love you all so much and I will see you guys in the next one.